Let us take any positive real number x and let's see how we can represent its square root. The first step is, let us mark the origin as O. Now what we have to do is, we have to draw a line of length x units to the left hand side of the origin. So let us call this line as AO and its length is x unit. The second step is, we have to draw another line of length 1 unit to the right hand side of the O. So we will call this line as OC and let its length is 1 unit. Now we have to find the midpoint of line AC. Now we can do it using the construction method, or we can use the ruler. So this is the midpoint and let us mark it as B. It is B. Now our next step is to draw a semicircle radius AB using B as the center. So we can use a compass for that. Place the point to B on the midpoint, measure the radius AB in the compass and cut the arc. So this is the semicircle. Now what we have to do is, from O we have to draw a perpendicular from O which cuts the semicircle. Now we can do that using a protractor. So 90° here we will join it. So let us call the point as D. Now what is so special about this D? It might sound like a magic, but it turns out that the length of OD is exactly equal to the square root of x. Yes, OD is equal to square root of x. Now I will tell you how you can verify this a little bit later. Now that we will have the square root of x on the number line, so let's transfer this length. Since O is the origin, we can extend this number line further. So to find the length of square root on x of the number line, we can cut an arc OD as a radius. For that again we can use the compass, place the point to the D, measure the radius and cut the arc. So the point where the arc cuts the number line, let us mark as E, and OE is nothing but the square root of x on the number line. And this is how we can locate the square root of any positive real number on this number line. So just replace x by any real number so you can find it. I have seen this. It works to all positive roots here as shown, and we can reverse this process to find negative roots as well. So here, if we will take x as 3.5, then we will get the square root of 3.5 on the number line here. Does it work for all real numbers? So let's check. By taking O as the origin, let's draw 4 units. Let's draw another line OC of length 1 units to the right hand side. Find the midpoint of AC, which is B here. Now let's draw a semicircle. Now let's draw a line perpendicular from O which intersects the semicircle. As before, we can use the protractor here. Finally, using the compass, cut an arc of length OD on the number line. Now if we will look closely, it coincides the position of 2. So we check the method for the simple case. So the square root of 4 is equals to 2. So that's how we have proved this. So let's meet in our another video. Take care and bye bye.